Hi everyone, it's Dia with Eat, Run, Plan, Repeat. Welcome back to my channel. I literally just finished doing my planner setup with my current planners right now. And the reason I did that is because I have a new system coming in, and then in the middle of recording my video, I got a knock at the door and it's my new planner. So I am so excited. I'm going to go ahead and open this up right now because I wanted to do an unboxing, and I'm heading to a photo shoot in a bit, and I can't wait until after to open this. I've never had one of these. As you can see, it's from Japan. It got here very quickly, in just over a week. So let me try and open this up. It looks like a big sandwich bag. Ta-da! I'm so excited. Okay, so I was not planning on purchasing this until next year, but we've been so busy, and my husband was like, just go ahead and start the planner now to make sure you like it for next year. So I debated on getting it from Etsy or Amazon or from Hobonichi directly. And I decided to go with Hobonichi directly because I wanted the box in it. I just wanted the whole experience. So there it is. My only concern was how long it was going to take, but really, it took no time at all. So let me pull everything out. Okay, and another reason I decided to go through Hobonichi is because I wanted the pen. I've heard some good things about this pen and that it writes really well on this paper, and I wanted to try it out. If you can see him. Okay, we'll set him there. I used one of these types of pens for a long time that I got from Jet Pens, so I was curious to see it again. I have ink all over me. I don't know how. I don't want to get that on my planner. Okay, so as you can see, I got the Hobonichi Cousin, and next year I wanted to get the entire year. But since half of the year was over, I realized that they have the Avec, so I was really excited to go ahead and purchase this one. It's from July through December. And I was actually just talking to Sam Alderson this morning, and she was saying that she's going to put this and a notebook in hers. And I thought, you know what, maybe I won't get the whole year then. If this doesn't work for me the way I want it to, and I still need an additional notebook, maybe next year I'll do another Avec and a notebook. It is very, very thin. The only thing I'm concerned about is that the cover I have coming is meant, I believe, for the whole year book. So I hope that this isn't going to be like swimming in it, but if it is, I guess I can always just add a notebook to kind of chunk it up a little bit. So let me look at this paper. Oh, the paper is so beautiful and so soft. This is my first time ever seeing a Hobonichi Cousin, or a Hobonichi period. One of the things that I love about this notebook are the little squares. I love a monthly planner that has squares in it. I will have to get used to the Monday start on the monthly view. I might have to switch my digital calendar to this just so it doesn't throw me off when I'm comparing the two calendars. So here's the months. This paper is so gorgeous. It's like smooth and thin. So I can't wait to write on it. Okay, and then this is the weekly layout. I have been like dreaming about how I'm gonna set this up. I wanted more hours. That was one of the problems that I had with my passion planner. It didn't start early enough, but I don't need until 4 in the morning. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this bottom section yet. I have been obsessing and watching tons and tons of videos. You just never know though until you have it in your own hands. Sorry, I'm just flipping through this. I can't wait to see this get chunky. So this is why I purchased this one, the cousin, because I can keep track of my family's schedule here. So I know what's going on with everybody else during the day. And then I have plenty of space on here for my to-do list. And then I like to take notes on things sometimes too, make notes for my business, things I need to get done. And I can put all of that down here. So I'm just kind of flipping through this for myself. There are tons and tons of videos out there about the Hobonichi cousin and everything that it kind of comes with. So I'm not going to do that today, but now I can't wait for my cover to get here. I just ordered it last night, so let's see how long it takes to get made. I will do a spoiler alert. It is from Sojourner. I love her leather so much. So that's it. This was just a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys the beginning to my new planner system. I'll probably transfer a lot of information over here, but I'll finish out the week in my passion planner. I've loved my passion planner. I just need something a little bit different now, so gonna give this a try. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to hit the like button, and I look forward to seeing you guys when I get the cover to this. Have a great day. Bye.